I don't know what type of time Rolling Stone on, but why now? What y'all trying to do? Trying to block some endorsement deals? Yeah, that's the only reason why. Plus CMPD, our police department ain't released it. Nobody from Charlotte or North Carolina released it. So why y'all doing it? The only reason I see why y'all did that there is y'all know something. Y'all probably got the word. They getting this endorsement deal. Y'all trying to block it. It could be with Adidas, Nike, anybody, Puma, anybody. Finna cut the check, and now they'll see that, see how you act, and then all the new stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, like people saying in the comments, that ain't self-defense. They don't even know the law. That is self-defense. So basically what y'all saying is, our police department and our lawyers, they all dumb. Y'all don't see that self-defense. That's self-defense all day. Just because the baby started attacking first and he rushed the dude, that don't mean that ain't self-defense. See, everybody who said that in the comments, y'all would have had public defenders. Yeah, y'all wouldn't have had no paid lawyer. Y'all wouldn't have had no $250,000 to drop on a murder case, or $100,000 or even $50,000. Y'all would have ran with a public defender, and the public defender would have told you that ain't self-defense. Y'all would have took the plea for manslaughter, and y'all still be in prison today doing 7 years, and that's self-defense. Crazy, man. It was 3 or 4 of them guys there, at least 2, besides the victim, right? The victim had his hand in the hoodie the whole time. Ain't no telling what he was saying to the baby. It ain't no audio playing. What you mean that ain't no self-defense? In your state it ain't, but in Charlotte and North Carolina, that's self-defense all day. Stand your ground. That man had his hand in his hoodie and he was trying to pull it out. And in the state of North Carolina, if you feel threatened and you got 2 or 3 people surrounding you and they street guys and they talking heavy because you ain't doing what they want you to do, you can use deadly force if he felt like his life was threatened, and he did. Come on, man. You ain't got to wait for him to pull out what he got in his hoodie or throw the first punch. Nah. I feel like this man finna pull out a gun. He's saying this and this and this to me. Yeah. Our police ain't stupid. They see it just like how you see it. You don't think they've been doing it for 20, 30 years. You don't think they would have locked him up? He don't got no pull like that in Charlotte. He just a rapper. Come on, man. They would lock this ass up. It look better for them to lock him up for murder. So why would they let him go on that? Come on, man. Ain't nobody stupid in North Carolina. That was self-defense. You heard what the lawyer said. You heard what the court said. If it wasn't, they would have switched it around. Nah, man, don't do that. And on the rap side, all they do is stamp that I'm like that card, put a stamp on it, and now he got another one. You see what I'm saying? A lot of people were saying he didn't do it at first. It wasn't him. This proved it was. So you make him look good one way as far as the rap, because people like that. People like violence. That's the truth. But I don't know, you trying to block an endorsement deal or something big he got coming up. I don't know what type of time y'all on Rolling Stone. But, hey, we don't need you. Yeah, it'd be nice, you know, get nominated, get an award, whatever y'all offer. But he don't need you, man. Y'all not the reason he getting $500,000 a show, $700,000, whatever, $600,000, whatever. Y'all not the reason. Y'all not the reason he got them hits. Y'all not the reason he got them plaques on the wall. Y'all not the reason why he got millions of dollars in that account. Y'all not the reason why he beat that case. So he don't need y'all for nothing. All y'all do is give him promotion. That's it. All y'all do is give him clout when y'all throw a story up or like this video. They give him clout. You know, you trying to hurt him, whatever, it's going to hurt him in that way, if it even do. But it's going to give more glory to his story on the other side. It ain't too many rappers that got a body on tape, and it's released, and they still walking and still on top. Everybody else who caught their bodies, the only people who seen them is them, the victim, Satan, Allah, Jesus, and whoever else seen it that was on the scene. That's it. So that's all that is. Like I said, it's still self-defense in North Carolina, in Texas. I can speak for Texas, probably in Georgia, and a lot of stand your ground, probably in Florida. If 2 or 3 guys surround you and they talking crazy, cause y'all don't know what they were saying on the audio, and Buddy got his hand in his hoodie. Buddy got his hand in his hoodie the whole time, and he backing up, and he doing like this right here, reaching. You see what I'm saying? Come on, man, that's self-defense all day. If you don't know that, then that's on you. But ignorance of the law don't give you no excuse. And if you feel like that ain't self-defense, you run up on him and do it. You try it. You do the same thing Buddy did, and you try it. Let's see. Don't try to do it in New York. No. Do it in the stand your ground state. You try it. Try another rapper when they in Walmart with the blicky on them and do the same thing and see. That's my take on this conversation right here, man. Go.